Is how to make a fraction on Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word on Windows gives you an option to automatically change common fraction to their symbols like 1/2 and 1/4. As you see on a screen, simply type the numbers, and unless you enable the fraction mode, it will not convert the symbol like option. To enable fraction in Microsoft Word, click on File. Thereafter choose More and click on Options. Here choose the option Proofing from the left pane. Thereafter choose Autocorrect options, and here choose the auto format as you type from the top menu bar, and here enable the fraction with fraction character option. Make the check against this option and click on OK button. Now if you type any fraction, it will convert into symbol of fraction. Just like you see on a screen, it is a symbol of fraction. You type and a space, it will convert into a symbol of fraction in Microsoft Word, Windows 11 and Windows 10, as well as Windows 7 or Windows 8 also.